I'll be on your side, always to you. My love will see you. When the tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just listen and I'll be around to understand. When you say it's a deep signature when you have to and I'll be there with the happy when the river seems so long and yes, and all you see is nothing but darkness. Don't give up, just walk with your heart. Oh, my love will see through. My love will see through. When you express, when you post the receive, when you fly the highest moon, my love will always be with everything. In every step you make, in every road you take, don't be afraid to follow your dreams. Oh, my love will see through. Thank you, thank you.
Sabi nila sa'yo, ang po yung daw libro.
Hello, hello. Sa akin lamang, ibalik mo ang iyong nasiwaan at pagmamahal. Mabuhat ng iyong labi, ang ibig ng iyong pag-ibig. Pagkat ikaw ang tanging ligaya ng pababayaan ko ngayon masayang naman mga kintamang ating nagdaan ay nagkakabasa o pag-ibig puso at pag-ibig at sinabing pababayaan mo kanyang masayaman ang atong araw nating nananayan. Mahalaga pa ba sa akin ang pag-ibig nating tanan. May nagpabas sa akin pag-ibig, puso ang gabi nagsilagin. Nababayaan mo kaya masaya ka lang. Ang araw nating tanan ay nagpabas sa akin pag-ibig, puso ang gabi nagsilagin. Nababayaan mo kaya masaya ka lang. Maaaring itong araw nating tanan ay nagpabas sa akin pag-ibig, puso at gabi.
Mama, may tubig? Yehey! Eh, may CCTV pala din. Itap.
4,
Five, five.
7,
Six,
5,
five, four.
Alis ah. Dali.
Tayo muna!
Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Unang araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Magpapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ay laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Nakakanta, dali.
Four, 6, 3,
kumanta eh. Ang gusto niya ni Pansit.
Hello.
Meron nga aking favorite na nga yun.
Hello.
Ano? Ay, nakamiss na naman. Ang mga pala, no?
She didn't use to do it for the second. Trying to love you the moment this morning I don't know. Was a bottle of Moscow words in my head and some long dead lights I think the seals in my head. Say dream about movies they won't make me only when I'm there. With an iron fist, I wake up and kiss them all down. With some simple lips, it's all making my head I'm moving about. About all of the things that I long to believe about love and the truth, and then what you mean to me and the truth is. Baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down in romance. What the matters with all of them is. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the holy ghosts and lay you down on the bed of roses. While we sit far away, still got the lips on my window. This was sometimes I think it's night to see through this paper. Still around of time and it's hard to be true. In the bed in the white, like sleep watching you. I just close my eyes. This girl's baby blind loves you. I wanna lay you down in a bed of glory. Put your eyes on a bed of tears. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the holy ghosts lay down on the bed of roses. Those you gonna send out, is this gonna ride? The perfect Christmas stroke, and she's giving me the eye. Well, I make it say yeah, but I love so hard, I think I'm done. Oh yeah.
Gusto ng karakay. Gusto ng karakay. Pagkakain ko daw dito. Pagkakain ko nga dito.
How she close your eyes, oh I'll be thinking about you. While my mistress says she calls me Mr. Her spotlight. I won't be alone, but you know that don't mean I'm lonely. I'm not nothing to prove, so that I can be there. I wanna lay down a bed of roses for the night sleep on a bed of things. All I wanna be is a closeness. They're all glasses and lay down. I wanna lay down a bed of roses for tonight I sleep on a bed of things. Yes, it's the love, the holy gases lay down on the bed of roses.
Ano lang si Kuya, wait lang.
Gugulong lang, parang baboy. Wow!
Ayoko, itabasag din.